Sha-na-na-na-na. Sha-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Sha-na-na. Oh, no. Day by day, it's hard to see.
What I can tell you is Clutter Clarity is powered by...
Used to be sponsored by...
Mr. Floor.
Squirrel.
Mr. Floor cleaning products are all non-toxic and environmentally safe, and you can learn more at MrFloor.com.
I like how I'm cut off. So anybody who's watching this doesn't even see me.
Right.
Randall left.
Yeah, the camera needs to be readjusted. Sit down.
I don't want to sit down.
Now you want to stand.
I would like the camera to follow me where I go.
I'm sure we can get those cameras. Can't we get those cameras?
Yes, we need gimbals.
So that way it just follows.
No.
There's the answer. God has spoken.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, Ron was kind enough to forward me this information about how to handle holiday guests.
Oh, yeah. I found that article quite humorous, and I thought you would enjoy it.
Why did you find it humorous?
Go ahead. Do it. You should read it off. You'll find out why. Go ahead.
Well, I'm not. I'm changing it. So it's more of mine.
Okay.
But okay, so a couple things like call beforehand and check on food allergies. That's a big one. Because a lot of times people get somewhere and be like, oh, I can't have this, or, the kids can't have this, or whatever. So check beforehand, because you don't want to stock the house with,
meat, and their vegetarians are coming.
Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So just, check beforehand. Prep for mornings. A little coffee tea station would be nice. But you know what's even nicer? Showing them how to use the... Why are you laughing?
How to actually use the whatever.
Right.
Yeah.
Because if you have a Keurig and they're not used to it, if
Sure.
you have, I don't know, all of my clients have coffee presses. I don't even know what they are. I just have seen a million of them. If somebody
coffee
said
presses are better coffee.
I wouldn't even know how to use it if somebody showed me a coffee press.
Yeah.
So the other thing you could do if you want to be really fancy schmancy is put like a little instruction card out.
Oh.
On how to use it.
And laminate it?
Sure. Sure. But again, if you're thinking about, if you don't want your guests to come back, then
right.
Whatever.
And we
then
did that with lighting systems. The biggest complaint, people come visit, nobody knows how to turn the lights on and off because it's all control 4.
Okay, so then down here we have the help them to use the remote, and maybe leave instructions on how to use the remote, because everybody's is different. Power on, and then you don't want to hit the wrong thing and you accidentally change the channel, but you're changing it out of the cable,
right,
and you never get it back. So especially if you're still working, if they're going to be here for a couple days and you still have to go to work, you want to make them very comfortable in their house, able to do things. In which case, for snacks, put out a nice bowl of snacks for people. Include things like protein bars or power bars for the people who like that kind of thing. Include some fruit snacks, some healthy snacks.
Wouldn't it look like clutter?
A nice bowl of things would not look like clutter. And of course, if you're comfortable with people rummaging through your cabinets, you can do that. Go ahead.
Tools. I'm putting all my tools in a bowl and leaving them on the kitchen table.
There you go. Whatever you feel like working on, go for it. You can fix anything you want. Uh-oh.
So while you're at the food thing, make sure you find out things, again, not only the allergies, but what kind of milk, if you're going to have kids, do the kids drink the 2%, the full milk, the soy milk, the whatever milk?
You need the real 100% milk.
Possibly.
Almond
but I
milk.
have a wonderful family that I go to visit in Florida, and my aunt knows that I don't drink regular milk, so she always gets me soy milk, which is very nice to go there and have that. And then you know what she does for my husband?
What?
She spoils him rotten.
No.
Rotten. You open the freezer, and there's 60 different kinds of ice cream, because Don has ice cream every night. So she's like, I bought ice cream for Don. Okay, and so I'm exaggerating with 60, but there are probably 4 to 6 different kinds of ice cream.
Sure. You need a sample.
Yeah, in the freezer. So think about things like that are very nice to do. Microwave popcorn is a nice thing to have out.
Sure.
Okay, the other thing is be sure to schedule in some downtime. So if you're like on the go, you're going to the Chris Kindle or however you say that market, you're going to a family dinner, you're going to see the lights at the Brookfield Zoo, which is amazing. You're going to do all this thing. around 3 o'clock, maybe have some nap time.
Hey, nap time.
Yes. I
That's
know
good.
it sounds silly.
No.
But people take naps. They don't want to admit it. But have some throws laying around. People can just snuggle up, have a cup of tea. I'm just going to keep talking.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House
I haven't
will
finished
return.
my list.
Well, all right. Finish your list.
Oh.
Finish
Okay.
your list.
So have out some throw blankets and then maybe some magazines. People can sit and curl up with a magazine, some puzzles, maybe some art supplies for the kids, a couple new coloring books and some crayons, things like that, so that you have a little downtime. And maybe the adults want to go in their room and take a little nap while the kids want to do some coloring or watch cartoons or something like that. A bedside basket. Ooh,
Yeah.
bedside basket. So what do you want to put in a bedside basket? You want to put a little flashlight in there. You want to put tissue. You want to put lotion, a nail file, things that, like if you were going somewhere and you're like,
That's what a pocket knife is for.
That's what a pocket knife is for. So put some cute things in a bedside basket.
Yeah.
At the end of the stay, you want to know in advance how to deal with the bedding. So you tell your guests, leave the bed as it is. Strip the sheets. The maid
will be in to make the bed.
Right.
Strip the sheets. Don't strip the sheets. Here's new sheets to put on. I know that some people, they're like, I don't want people to see all the stains that they're sleeping on my mattress.
Right.
Ew. So if you strip the bed, then they're
Ew.
going to see how gross and stained the mattress is. So
Okay.
have an idea of what you want your guests to do.
You put a fresh
Go
mattress
get a new
cover.
mattress before you invite anybody over.
Yeah,
I
mattress
know.
cover.
I'm just saying.
Just saying.
And then
Right?
one of the most important things.
What do you call baby squirrels? Are they pups?
What is one of the most important things to do to prep your house for guests?
Clean.
No.
Unlock the door?
Unlock the door. There you go.
Put air freshener in the bathroom. Please. Or matches or something.
Or that poopery stuff.
Poopery.
Is that what that?
Potpourri.
Oh, yeah.
But
Put in
yes,
an extra fart fan?
Yes.
It's the spray. You spray it in the toilet before you go.
Yeah.
You wire it 220 so the fan runs faster?
You
Doubles
spray the
CFMs.
potpourri in the toilet before you go, and then whatever happens. But have
You said
something
that thing
like
you put
that.
in the toilet tank and it would just do it for flush.
Sure. There you
Have
go.
something
blue
like
tidy
that
bowl
in
guy?
your bathroom for guests, please.
Do they sell that anymore?
Especially if you're going to have big construction
know.
workers in your house.
Tidy bowl, man.
I'm done.
Hey.